Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to share your screen in like Microsoft Teams. Now first of all, make sure that you have joined the link. As you can see, I have generated a link and here is the meeting links that are going on. So I have joined it and you will be seeing this kind of interface. Let me just larger it and here you are. Like you will be seeing this kind of interface. Now from here you can just see the chats, the people, raise your hands, all the options are available. Now below the just beside the camera mic, and here is an option called share. Now you can just click on share, and from here you can see like multiple options like include sound. If you want to include the sound of desktop, you can do it. If you want to add background, you can do it. And from here you can just select either you want to share a specific window or you want to share a screen. Now like window is basically a specific one tab that you want to share in the like screen, and as you can see like all the tabs are open, and if I share the screen, it will share the whole screen. Now as you can see like there is a kind of orange and red line like on the corners of my screen, and here is an option also like you are sharing screen right now. So that process is pretty simple. Now let's say that you want another member, like you have another member in the team and you want him to share his screen. Now make sure to make him an admin from this section, like in the people section, just go into the meeting and right click on it and make him admin, or make him just controller. And once you make him admin or controller, he will also be able to share the screen. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.